ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ringkat lang mat kaperthai baro kawai Kamigalia State Legal Services Authority hakashiterik ubanai no pra arajar arpuai kala penlong deka jinyai rally deki thuk bat ki kali saw shaka Hamadan Malki Shillong kum shibenta ban yala paj ba ya ka jing sirkai jong ka jingpang niang kuliah Hakajingya keren bat ke Project Director Jong Kamigalia AIDS Control Society ke Dr. R. Alia hadin balawai kini ke jingya rally kalayathu baki don ko makhat we hajar ngut kinong song snong hapo kani ke jilna Megalia kiba imlang bat ukhnyang jingpang HIV Katkum ka jingya tho jong ka Dr. Alia ki don bon ngut ki breo ki bamtip laki don ni em yo ni ukhnyang jingpang HIV bad hadu menta ki don henreu hajar ngut ki nongpang ki badon yo ukhnyang jingpang HIV ki bala register kerteng yelade bat ka Megalia AIDS Control Society.
As we all know that people living with HIV, they face a lot of stigma and discrimination. There have been instances where people living with HIV are thrown out of their houses, of their residences, of school-going children being thrown out of their schools, and of FIRs filed against them of people living with HIV for no fault of theirs. And all this stems from the fact that we still do not understand the basic facts of HIV. We all think that HIV is very contagious, is very infectious, but no. I just want to stress here today that HIV spreads only there are only 4 modes of transmission. The number 1 is sexual mode with an infected person. Number 2 is the use of infected needles, and this is most common in the injecting drug users. Number 3 is infected blood and blood products. And the last one is from an infected mother to her unborn child, either during pregnancy or even during delivery or even breastfeeding. I want to stress here that HIV does not spread, through by hugging or by shaking hands or sharing of utensils or talking to each other. And it is a fact that HIV is also a pandemic which has become silent nowadays. With COVID, with all of us are focused on COVID, we tend to forget that HIV is a pandemic and it has been there for 40 years. In our state, there is a steady rise of HIV, and now we have more than 5,000 people who have been registered into our programs. That means who are infected with HIV. But there are still a very huge number who are infected but who did not come for testing, and we do not know their status. Why they do not come forward is because they are scared of the stigma, the discrimination, and the inequality which they may have to face if people come to know about their status. Please remember that being infected with HIV or having AIDS is like any other illness. Of course, there is no cure for AIDS, but if a person is infected with HIV and if they take the treatment regularly, which we call ART, they can live a healthy life. And a person who is on daily ART, on regular ART, the viral load also will come down. That means the virus also gets suppressed, and there is very less chance of them spreading to others. So my message here today is that as a community, let us come together to fight against stigma discrimination. Let us all advocate early testing. Let us advocate safe behavior. We all know how HIV spreads, so let us advocate safe behavior. We can say HIV is appropriate behavior, like what we have for COVID appropriate behavior.
Ka message day balong ba ngili ban insting mo pang age pang gini jingpang kung yung covid mentaro te natu daw ngelawan sim mentake.
Dia kan ga jing sim bentar jing pi ni gini ki kali ki bai tak ban barai kinjet. Gini ki kali teh. Lak ban barai kinjet kumno.
Sepang gini kali.
Long kumno pi ban rai gini ki.
Kani ketika Ford GPW ketika Slam Sopo lah ketika kali semua baba ketupat ketika Willis CJ3B ketika Slam Lupo A ketupat ketika jungi perlok junga jung bancan workshop ketika model gigi Sanpo A Sanpo Lai buat ketuku basau pada ketika Kaiser junga ke Slam mod ketika model Lupo kendah.
Long nakaiga daw pi ban rai kini kali ha.
Oh bagawai bakam tamba lada pisai kumto lada pisai gini kali tumai kumto ki duna ki brio ki ban peji gini ki plakat te kam tam lada ngisai gini kali bakam ipla kumto te ki brio kin peji kali bat kin pedlang ki plakat baru apin te ka awareness kan kambon ke bagawai bakum gini kali gila ade ki ker jat te mentah bom jui show pi te na tu daw gen ki pajbar kin kampoi hi ban peji kini kali te da ki wan ban peji kali ti kini ki banas ki ya kini ki plakat ir kin sawan kuliah ke se kan kambiang ga awareness ke pang ka it pej kum ga HIV kitu ki por ba kadang sapjang ki por te ki buan mangi lateng lai ba ilanang hi ban yu ban deal bat ka ne ga jingpang ke ba ki don ki awareness programs kini saya tingi yaldir anang banyada kai na ka it se sementa pe kum gane ka covid bro ka shong ban ngite banyada yaldir ni habandeng mas asap e ko na ta ki hand sanitizer kini tingi haban don kam te ka shong ban ngi kai la dang ngem employ ban don kam gini te ngem sanang hitam kai kini kiski banwai.
Selamat